Hi there, students. Piffle, a noun. Piffling, the adjective that goes with it. And I guess even pifflingly as well. Okay, piffle is nonsense, rubbish. Stop talking such piffle. Notice to talk piffle. He's always talking piffle. Yeah, it's rubbish, it's nonsense. Yeah, it's absolute tripe. Yeah, there's nothing right about it. Yeah, it's just total rubbish. This is also I've never seen such piffle in all my life. And then the adjective piffling means something that is insignificant. It has no significance. Yeah, it's extremely small and not important. I don't want to know about the piffling little details. You have to pay a piffling amount for what you get. It only costs 20p to get in. It costs a piffling 20p. Yeah, trivial, picayune, as we saw the other day. Very little, very small, of no important quantity. Okay, so if something is piffle, it's drivel, it's rubbish, it's has no content. Yeah, he's always giving us pseudo-scientific piffle. I've looked in some of the dictionaries and say you can use to piffle as a verb, but I would never use it as a verb. Yeah, I would just use it as an adjective. His story is complete piffle. Many of the things that they try to make you believe in internet are absolute piffle. Yeah, so codswallop, claptrap, foolishness, hogwash, yeah, hokum. There are loads and loads of words for this. Something senseless, yeah, something just stupid. Twaddle, tommyrot, tosh, yeah. Okay, there are a few. Drivel, that's another great word for it as well. Yeah, it's just claptrap or old bunk. It's just blather. So piffle, something that is just nonsense. Yeah, he's always talking piffle. Remember that collocation, to talk piffle. Yeah, nonsense and rubbish. What a load of old piffle. Yeah, so he's just talking something ridiculous. You can even just use piffle as an interjection. So A, blah 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 blah. B, piffle, absolute rubbish. Okay, notice formality. This is very informal. Yeah, I would give this a 4 in formality. Maybe it sounds a little bit old-fashioned as well, or maybe a bit posh. Yeah, but I think it's perfectly reasonable to use it. As to origin, there are certain conjectures about this. Maybe it's a blend of piddle, urinate, and trifle, piffle. Or maybe it's onomatopoeia of the word puff, puff. Yeah, piffle, maybe, I don't know. If you've got any ideas as to the origin, I would be interested. Okay, the amount you have to pay is pifflingly small. Yeah, they gave him a piffling fine because he's so rich that £100 fine was just a piffling amount. Yeah, once again the teacher is talking a load of old piffle that I really don't want to have to hear. Yeah, so piffle, rubbish, nonsense, tripe, tosh, balderdash. Yeah, there are a million other words for it, but it just means nonsense, foolish talk. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't think I was talking piffle, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Piffle, piffling, pifflingly.